Hello, welcome to Real Estate Gist with Modesty. You're welcome. Good to have you on board today for today's episode of Real Estate Gist with Modesty. Let's know where you are watching from. Do well to comment with your name and your location. Let's know where we are watching from. Let us know where you are watching from. In today's episode, we are going to be looking at something very awesome on how to grow wealth with real estate. How to grow wealth with real estate. So let's know where you are watching from. Kindly state your name and your location. I remain your favorite rector, Emeke Modesty Agbor, the CEO of Modesty Real Estate Ltd, where we are committed to building wealth and sustainable real estate investment. All right. So at Modesty Real Estate, what we do is that we build wealth. We ensure that you can grow your wealth through real estate. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you key things on how to really grow wealth with real estate. How to grow wealth with real estate. So just have a few minutes. Let's know where you're watching from. Just your name and your location. Your name and your location. Just state your name and your location. And do well to share the link of this video. Do well to invite your friends. Do well to invite everyone. You're going to be doing them a lot of favor, because the things we're going to learn today will surely have great impact on your finance, right? So let's know where you are watching from. Don't forget, as I said earlier, my name is Emeke Modesty Agbor of Modesty Real Estate Ltd. So the question is, how do I grow wealth with real estate? You know, when people hear real estate, there are different fears that comes to their mind. One of the greatest fear, which of course is ignorance, is the fear of thinking you don't have enough to invest in real estate. It's the fear of thinking you don't have enough. So you will hear somebody say things like, I know the importance of real estate. I would have started real estate. I just want to get a new job first. I just want to get something first. I just want to get money first. You know, people have different excuses. So there is this fear. So when you hear real estate, all that is in your mind is that it's made for the millionaires, right? It's made for the billionaires. It's made for those that are already rich. But you were deceived. That is not true. You know, in all our adverts, we usually state that real estate will have offers for everyone. And that is not a figure of speech, right? We have real estate investment offers, for instance, that monthly payment is as low as 30,000 per month. That you pay in installment as low as 30,000. Even bike riders, low-income earners are subscribing to it, right? So why you're not investing in real estate is not actually because you don't have money. Let's get that straight first. It's not because you don't have money. It's either because you don't prioritize it, or you don't know the importance, or you not just start it, or possibly because you are waiting for your friend to tell you. You know, I wrote recently on our page how that you may be thinking people are not investing in real estate. But the truth is this, they are actually investing in real estate. Why they are not telling you? Because probably you will discourage them, or you tell them one or two reasons why they should not, right? So in the future, 5, 10 years, 15 years to come, you'll be shocked to know that many of your friends that are earning the same salary or even lower than you, they were stressing themselves to actually invest in real estate. So before we dive into what we are teaching today, there are two kinds of regret. Two kinds of regret concerning real estate investment. There's a regret that of not investing enough. Everybody has this, and at different levels, right? You can minimize this if you are smart enough to take advantage of what we want to teach today, right? And there's another regret of not investing at all. Thinking real estate is scam, real estate is this, real estate, so you don't just bother investing at all. That is another kind of regret. That is the worst kind of regret that you should never have. So many persons that don't end up investing at all, they end up being the tenant of those that invested when the lands were affordable, right? And funny enough, you were earning the same money. So let's get it straight first. Why you are not investing in real estate is not because you don't have money. It's not because you don't have money. Because you can actually call down some necessities. I didn't say things that are not necessary, even necessities to invest, right? You will see a student that monthly subscription, for instance, is 10,000 naira. Yet he say he cannot invest in real estate. I'm saying there are many ways to invest in real estate. Even students are investing in real estate. People that are even no income earners, they are depending on our guidance and parents, right? So there is no excuse. And why real estate? And everybody is shouting real estate. Real estate is the new oil well. Real estate is the new oil money. Real estate is this. Real estate is that. Okay, actually, there is no investment on earth currently that gives you return with zero risk and zero effort like real estate. There is no investment on earth. Notice this, an authoritative statement. There is no investment on earth. So one major reason for real estate is because of the huge returns, especially if you are investing in the right place with the right people, right? Real estate has amazing, huge returns. For instance, in the month of January, we shared a property in Abuja that was selling for 2.5 million naira, right? And all you needed was just 500,000 to get started with this property, and you spread the rest for 1 year. Smart investors took advantage of it, right? Today, this property is selling for 5 million naira in less than 2 months. Okay, 2 months and 1 week. It's selling for 5 million naira. There's an increment alert. From tomorrow, April 4th, the property will be selling for 7.5 million naira. Tell me if this is not oil boom. From 2.5 to 7.5 in 3 months. That is 2.5 times 3. That means an investor that started with 500,000. You know the amazing part? Some investors are still paying. An investor that started with 500,000 now is already worth 7.5 million. Right? Yet he has not paid up to 1 million from the 2.5. So tell me the kind of business that can give you this kind of return. So real estate, when they say real estate is the new oil boom, is the new oil well, it's not actually a figure of speech. It is the truth. Because it requires zero effort, it requires zero risk. In the sense that you didn't go to market to buy goods and sell, reshape. You just got extra 5 million, which 1 million naira. Because if you started the installment with 500,000 and you paid another month, maybe 500 or 300, then now you have extra 5 million. You know what? Before they finish the payment in 1 year, the property will not be less than 10 million naira. From 2.5 to 10 million. You say, that is exceptional. Not every property appreciates like that. That is why you need an expert. For instance, at Modesty Real Estate, we don't just market any property because we deal with a lot of investors. So our focus many times is genuine properties that has huge returns. Genuine properties that has huge return. That is why our major slogan, our major thing that we stand with is that we build wealth, sustainable wealth through real estate, right? We don't just sell lands, we sell peace of mind for your wealth. Those are key things that we stand with, and we have been able to prove this over time, that we don't just sell land, we sell peace of mind for your wealth, not just peace of mind that in 30 years will not appreciate. So I'm telling you that one of the major importance of real estate is because it gives huge returns and it is with zero risk. What do you mean by zero risk? You are not putting this money in a Ponzi scheme. It's an actual land located in an actual place that you're actually buying. So you actually have nothing to worry. You say, what if the land is not genuine? What if government come for the land? What if many of those things can be 100% avoided when you are dealing with the right company? For instance, a company will not market any estate, any property without due diligence, without verifying the property, without all the due diligence that we need to do, right? So there are companies that you are dealing with that you can actually beat your chest and come back in 10 years, 15 years, and your lands will still be intact. So real estate is an amazing opportunity to grow your wealth with zero risk. Another importance of real estate is actually because real estate helps you in a way to be immune to inflation. You know, everybody is crying, things are going up, things are going up, things are going up. You know, Nigeria is a very funny country, sorry to say, blessed country, in that things only go up many times, they don't come down. You only see that things, you know, when dollar was going up, the increment in dollar rate, many things went up. So as it stabilized a bit and came down a little, many of those things did not come down. So Nigeria is an amazing country. You know, as the things are going up, you know the good part, real estate investors are not affected because the price of lands are going up. So actually, you are crying that things are going up, They are jubilating because their investment portfolio is growing massively. So one of the major importance of real estate is that it helps you against inflation. And of course, you don't end up paying tax when you invest in real estate. You don't end up paying some tax are avoided when you invest in real estate, right? So it has a lot of amazing opportunities. So having explained the importance of real estate investment, the next question now is, how do I grow my wealth? All right, let me give some instances. My total complete income, for example, you are watching this video, my complete income per month is 50,000, for example. Or you say my complete income per month is 1 million naira. My complete income put together, if you have more than one source of income, salary, side hustle, is 10 million naira. My total income per month is 100 million naira. Total income per month is 1 billion naira. The question is, how do I move from this stage to the next stage? If my total income is 50,000, how do I make it 100,000 with real estate? That is what we want to address today. Having shown you the importance of real estate investment, how do I make it 100,000? If my monthly income is 1 million naira, how do I make it 1.52 million naira per month? If my monthly income is 100 million, how do I make it 200 million per month? And so what I'm going to be sharing with you, I'm just going to go straight to the point. One of the major way to grow your wealth through real estate is taking advantage of genuine offers. Notice I didn't just say offers, genuine offers. There is no other way to grow your wealth through real estate than offers. All right? What do we mean by offers? We have different kinds of offers in the real estate sector. We have pre-launch offers. We have increment alert offers. We have different offers that you can take advantage of and grow your wealth. For instance, last weekend we have some estates in this month of April, from now till April 20th particularly, that are giving mouth-watering offers because of the Easter, right? For instance, an estate that is selling for 2.5 million naira in Edo State is currently selling for 2 million from now till on the 20th. And all you need is 500,000 down payment, right? Taking advantage of such offer, just dropping the 500,000. On the 20th, you have gained extra 500,000 just with 500,000 down payment. Is that not growing your wealth? So you see how to take advantage of offers. And many times, what makes it amazing in the real estate sector is that down payment makes it amazing. The whole instrumental payment structure, how I can pay an installment, it makes it amazing. It makes it comfortable. You can pay at your convenience. I mean, there is nothing as good as that. So you want to grow your wealth in real estate, it is through taking advantage of offers. Last year, I shared an offer, one of the offers that we have, that was selling for 600,000. We shared it on our pages, and we have several subscribers that subscribe onto it. And many of them subscribe for 2 years. Calculate it, 200,000 for 2 years, even 3 years, right? And you know the payment is less than 30,000. Guess how much is that land? As of September, it was 600,000. Today, that land is 1.2 million naira. It's not up to 1 year, right? Now, if they end up paying for 2 years, before the 2 years, it's not going to be anything less than 2.53 million naira. So, someone that was paying 30,000 every month, maybe he's earning 80,000. He planned himself and cut down some unnecessary expenses. If you need to take it 2 times in a day instead of 3 times, in order to be able to pay the 30,000, at the end of the 3 years or the 2 years, has the person become richer? Obviously, yes. You see how that he has grown his wealth because he took advantage of offers, right? So we have offers, for instance, that are selling for 30 million naira, that in the next 1 month, in the next 3 months, there won't be anything less than 40 to 50 million naira, right? Imagine taking advantage of such offers with down payment of just 5 million naira. In Lagos, we have an offer like that. But I spread it for 1 year. 1 year. At the end of the 1 year, you would have gotten at least 70% increment of that money while you are still paying in installments. So you see that one major way to grow your wealth is through offers. One major way to grow your wealth through real estate is taking advantage of offers. You may ask, how do I know these offers are genuine? Because you said taking advantage of genuine offers. Taking advantage of genuine offers. So how do I know they are genuine? You know, I usually tell persons, one of my clients reached out to me sometime last month. I was like, I've done some real estate investment, I lost my money, how do I trust you? I just answered in a simple way. I said, make your independent inquiry. You know, the world has gone global, the world is online. Anybody that is doing business seriously today must have an online presence. You can search us out online, Modesty Real Estate. You can come to our office, you can make inquiry about the CEO, Mr. Emeke Modesty of Agbor. You can just make your independent inquiry. It was like, oh, I know you are a pastor, I know you're this, but I want to deal with you based on business, and I want to be able to trust you. I told him, make your inquiry. And after 1 week, 2 weeks, he came back and said he was satisfied. That's one way to know that you make your independent inquiry. Now, when you are already satisfied with the realtor or the brokerage company you are dealing with, you don't have business many times making inquiry with the individual developers. You know why? Because we come in and we stand in the gap. Because for many of the properties that we manage, for all the properties that we market, for our investors, we've already done all the inquiries, we've vetted the developers, we've done many of the works already. So you have no business doing all of that. So identifying whether a property is genuine or not, it many times takes the work of an expert. That is why you need to have a real estate company like Modesty Real Estate that manages your investment portfolio, right? With us, all we need to know is your monthly income and what you can spare from that monthly income. Leave the rest for us. You know, once you leave the rest in 1 year, in 6 months, you will see how we'll be able to grow your real estate, your investment portfolio. And finally, when it comes to growing your wealth, let me say this. Growing your wealth through real estate is not about location. I've heard persons tell me things like, sir, I saw that your property that you marketed in Abuja or you marketed in Ibadan. I love it. It has a great potential. I watched the video. I really want to. But the place is far from me. Here I laugh when I hear people make such statements. The question is, why are you buying this property? Are you buying it to build, to live there? If you are not buying it to build, to live there, you are buying it for investment purpose. Why will you be concerned about proximity to your room? Or proximity to your hometown? Or proximity to your house? So, location is not a barrier. We even have people in diaspora that are investing in real estate with us. How much more you that maybe you're based in Benin and the property is located in Asaba or located in Abuja or located in Ibadan. So, you have no business talking about it's not close to me, I want something close to me. Now let me ask you a question which you should answer in your mind. Will you rather buy a property that is close to you at your neighborhood and in 6 months you won't get any return, or buy the one that is very far and in 6 months you get almost ×2 of the money? Think about it. Which one will you prefer? Think about it, and if you follow, you can comment, you can answer the question, right? I believe as a smart investor, as a wise person, you would rather go for the one with huge return. You rather go for the one with huge return that is far from you. So when it comes to investing in real estate, don't bother yourself about is it close, is it far. No. It's about, is it the right location? What is the developmental factor? What am I likely to gain or return on investment at the end of this duration? That should be your major concern. So real estate investment is simply about that. So it's not, location is not a barrier. All that is needed with the right real estate company or realtor is the money. We do all the documentation, we do everything, all that thing involved. So you're watching this video right now and you would like to get started, or you like to carry out your next real estate investment, reach out to us at Modesty Real Estate. And if you have any question, you can ask your question, right? I just have 1 minute to attend to that. You have any question about real estate investment, you can ask in this video in the comment section, or you can reach out to us on the number on the page, right? So remember, this video is brought to you by Modesty Real Estate Ltd with his CEO, Mr. Modesty Agbor. You know, what do? We are committed to building wealth and sustainable real estate investment. We are committed to building homes and sustainable real estate investment. We are committed to not just selling lands, we are committed to selling peace of mind for your wealth. So two key factors in all our doings. The lands, the investments must come with peace of mind, and it must be for your wealth. That means if it does not increase or add to your wealth, count us out. Right? If it cannot guarantee your return, then count us out. Right? So that is what we do at Modesty Real Estate. Thank you for joining today's episode of Real Estate Gist with Modesty. In the next 1 minute, we'll be rounding up this episode, and we look forward to doing business with you. Remember, no matter your level of income, you have no excuse. Don't be among the second set of persons that will have the second regret that was explained in this video, regret for not investing at all. Be among the people that have invested and they would rather have a little regret for not investing enough. As it stands right now, we have properties in Lagos, Ibadan, Edo State, Abuja that can give you 40% return in 3 to 6 months. So what are you waiting for? Just reach out to us. Let's know how we can come in. Let's know how we can help you, and let's know your level of income. Thank you once again for watching. Mr. Modesty Agbor. I look forward to seeing you in the next episode of Real Estate Gist with Modesty. Right? Thank you for watching. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.